Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today's lesson shows how align and distribute removes manual alignment stress. Select your shapes by dragging a selection box. Go to the alignment options and click align horizontal center. Instantly everything centers along one shared line. Next click align vertical center for a perfect cross alignment. Your shapes now meet in a precise center point. Open the distribute panel for spacing refinement. Choose distribute vertical space. Every shape now carries equal distance from the next. This ensures mathematical spacing accuracy. It's perfect for lists, social icons, or stacks text boxes. Thanks for watching.